Friends, Namaste and welcome to Dr. Varsha Gaitonde's channel. Here I am going to talk about Pokali rice which got GI tag recently, and the native of this rice is Kerala. Why it is in news? Because as you know, recently in West Bengal there was a huge flooding and West Bengal experienced with the Pokali variety of rice over a crisis-like situation created by severe saltwater incursions into paddy fields in the Sundarbans Delta. Vittal 11 variety of Pokali seedlings were brought from Kerala and introduced into West Bengal. That means in West Bengal these were used in order to avoid the saltwater problem or saltwater flooding. So what are the key points about this particular variety? The Pokali variety of rice is known for its saltwater resistance and flourishes in the rice paddies of coastal Alappuzha, Ernakulam and Thrissur districts of Kerala. That means this is prevalent in 3 districts of coastal Kerala, that is Alappuzha, Ernakulam and Thrissur. The single season paddy is raised in saltwater fields between June and November, followed by a season of fish farming. That means in Kharif as well as for the subsequent season for fish farming, this variety is grown. The uniqueness of the rice has brought it to the geographical indication tag and is the subject of continuing research. Several institutes like IRRI, that is International Rice Research Institute Philippines, is studying the Pokali gene pools and have identified a portion of DNA on one of its chromosomes that is crucial for salt tolerance. Given its ability to thrive under harsh climatic conditions and produce high yield, it can help in promoting climate-resilient agriculture. Pokali has medicinal property and its higher value of antioxidants along with low carbohydrate content makes it profitable to those on a low sugar diet. It is good for maintaining the weight also, body weight. Vittal 11 is the latest variety developed by Kerala Agriculture University. As I told you, it was introduced to West Bengal. It yields about 5 tons per hectare. That is the specific character. The crop duration is about 110 days. Now we shall also talk about some of the other GI tagged varieties of Kerala. Kaipad, Wayanad, Jiraksala, Wayanad Gandaksala, Palakkadan Matta and Navara are some of the varieties. The Kuttanad below sea level farming system has been recognized by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations as a globally important agriculture heritage system. This is very important. GIAHS is a FAO sponsored program. This is unique as it practices rice cultivation below sea level, globally important agriculture heritage system. This was started by FAO, safeguard and support the world's agriculture heritage system. This having outstanding landscapes of aesthetic beauty that combines agriculture, biodiversity, resilient ecosystems and valuable cultural heritage. So now the 3 important recognized GIAHS sites in India are: one is Rampur Saffron Heritage of Kashmir, which got GI tag recently, a few months back. Then Koraput Traditional Agriculture of Odisha. Then the third one is Kuttanad below sea level farming system of Kerala. So this is all about the Pokali rice which got GI tag recently. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, please keep it in the comment section. Keep on watching, subscribing and commenting. Bye-bye.